What's going on, y'all? JT here with a speed test, super speed Saturday, the all new Hyper VS2. So you guys know I got this a little bit over a week ago and I've been trying to set this up. There's gonna be a link, of course, in the description if you guys are looking at purchasing one of these. And there's also gonna be some information in the description about some of the stuff I did to set this up. So right now I am running a 2200 kV motor. I am running one of the Team Corrali electronic speaking tools, but it is the version 1, so it does not have the cat pack soldered onto it. So hopefully everything will be okay with running it like this. So we'll see. And then I have a 22 tooth Pinion Gear in here. And then you guys see here, the tires and wheels that I'm using, of course, are the Power Hobby Beast tires. And these are belted tires and wheels. So there'll be information in the description for all the stuff I have set up for this. And of course, the buggy's gonna have a lot more potential than what you guys see here. But I just got it set up just to do kind of this basic run because I've been anxious to see what kind of speeds we're gonna get out of this on 6S. So let me go ahead, let's get this kind of set up and let's get it going. All right, we know our GPS is catching. You guys showing you this right here. GPS is 8 miles per hour, so we know it's catching there. Now I did bring a 22 Pinion Gear just in case this 22 is too much. I think you could fit about a 23 in here with the stock Spur Gear. But of course, my steering is off by a little bit. You can always get a smaller Spur Gear when we don't need that much room. And I am using a 4000 milliamp Lipo, so we'll talk about the Lipos in other videos, but oh yeah, that's going. All right, let me get this back down. I would expect it to get up to speed real quick. Tires are holding up. Oh yeah, that's going good, guys. All right, let's get this back down. Do this final pass. My steering is off by a little bit, but that's, woo, it's starting to wheelie a little bit. You guys saw that? It still handled it, but tried to come up a little bit. I didn't even adjust the droop screws or anything on here. I think my steering is off by a tad. It's kind of messing with me there, but let's see what we got here with speeds with that. What you guys think we got? Oh, look at that. 71 miles per hour. Now these tires are smaller than the stock one, so let's take this back over. I gotta figure out what's going on with my steering. My radio, I did switch radios out to a different radio, but I knew this buggy would be 70 plus miles per hour, so let's get this back down. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it is trying to wheelie up, but it's holding it though. And this is still stock out the box setting. We don't want to do too many passes on this. I don't know what the temperature is going to be on that motor. All right, let's see what we got on that pass. We got 72 miles per hour. So I'm actually happy with 70 miles per hour as this sits. I am going to be making some more adjustments for this. What the heck, let me do a fingertip test on the motor. Golly, the motor is not even barely warm. That is good. That means this has tons of potential to go a lot faster. And I know you speed guys out there are really gonna get this going. I really gotta see what's going on with my steering. I switched this radio out and I think it's just messing with me right now. That's just one of my things. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's just trying to lift up off the ground, but it's staying down, so. All right, let's see if we beat that 72. We might have just stayed there, but yeah, 72 miles per hour. So these are with some basic general bashing batteries, guys. This is what I'm kind of tripping off of because this is a 4000 milliamp 80C Lipo. So imagine you do 100 plus C Lipo in here and then you get a higher milliamp Lipo with some better connectors. Of course, and you change the gearing out a little bit, you're gonna get some serious speed out of this. And if you lower it down, et cetera, et cetera. So there's gonna be a lot more things I'm gonna do with this in the future, and you guys will see that. I'm actually going to get an on-road body at some point in time and do an on-road conversion for this. So you guys will see that coming soon. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, put your comments down below, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.